My oil catch can for the Daihatsu Midget finally arrived. Man, I ordered that, God, like a month ago. So I'm gonna go ahead and install that. I have this hose, that's the ventilation, and I left a little link so I could get to it easily. It's kind of hard to see, but it connects down there by your alternator. Actually connects to the housing that holds the the oil pump. So I'm gonna install an oil catch can just to try to keep the oil vapors from going back through the intake and caking up on the valves. Okay, I have the oil catch can installed on the Daihatsu Midget II. It's on the driver's left, aka passenger side or co-driver's side if you're using the parlance of the home market. And so basically the crankcase is ventilated near the oil pump, which you're not going to be able to see, and I have it running to the catch can, and the exit goes back into the air intake snorkel just ahead of the carburetor. So there it is.